Hi, this is Kishore. Welcome to my channel. I am going to teach you C language and Python. Please subscribe my channel. Dear students, data types in Python: int, float, complex, bool, bytes, bytes array, string, range, list, set, tuple, frozen, dict, none. Python contains several inbuilt functions or predefined functions. So we have 14 data types in Python. Next, type to check the type of variable. ID to get the address of object. Print to print the value. First we will discuss up to bytes array, from int to bytes array. Int data type. We can use int data type to represent the whole numbers. Nothing but it is integers. Example 9, 10, 8, anything we can take. It comes under integers. Next, float data type. We can use float data type to represent the floating point, just like decimal value. For example, 45.09 or 31.5, 2.5, 3.5. All this comes under float data type. See here, example in program. A is equal to 10. So print type A. We got the output integer. The data type is integer. Next program is 45.5. So print type A. So this is which type of data? Float. Third one, complex data type. A complex number is a form of A plus JB form. So see here, A represents real part and B represents imaginary part. We can write anything. It must be in A plus JB form. J must be small letter. Fourth one, bool data type. We can use data type to represent the boolean value, true or false. So it represents true or false. For example, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Then C is equal to A less than B. So this is true. Or C is equal to A greater than B. Its statement is false. So it represents two statements, that is true or false. Let's see the program. Bool. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A greater than B. So print type C. So here output is bool. Next, print C. Here statement is false. C is equal to A less than B. Print C. Here statement is true. Bytes data type. Bytes data type represents a group of byte numbers just like an array. Example 10, 20, 30. B is equal to bytes. So here data type is B. Byte array data type. Byte array is exactly same as bytes data type, except that its element can be modified. Let's see the bytes and byte array program. X is equal to 10, 20, 30. B is equal to bytes. So print type B. Output is bytes. Next byte array program. X is equal to 10, 20, 30. B is equal to byte array. Print type B. Output is byte array. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, subscribe.